Hey, what's up guys, this is Radhan Hawk here, and in this video I'll show you that how you can download the Instagram photo simply from your smartphone. The process is pretty simple, just follow some steps and let's go to the initial tutorial itself right now. So guys, to download the Instagram pic, all you need to do is go to the Instagram app. Once you go to the Instagram app, for example, you have to download this pic which I am showing you right now. So what you have to do, just click on this 3 button icon right here. Once you click on it, then copy the link from here. Once you copy the link, it will show something like this. Once the link is copied, just go out from the Instagram app. Once you do that, then simply open any browser. I am opening Chrome. Once you do that, just simply click on the search icon and go to there and search downgram.com. Once you click on that, I will put this link in the description box below as well, so that you can immediately go to this website. Once you do that, then simply put the link that you have copied here and paste it here in the search box. Once you do that, simply click on download. Once you click on download, then this kind of button will show up. Then simply click on this button. Once you do that, then immediately you will see this is an ad. Just ignore the ad. Again click on download, and once you click on second time, you will see that the pic is downloading right now. Just simply click on this download icon. Once you see that, just pop up the toggle notification taskbar. As you can see that the image has already been downloaded. Just simply click on the image that is downloaded. As you can see, this image has been downloaded. To confirm the image is downloaded or not, just simply go to the file manager. I'm clicking on the file manager right now. Then go to your photo. Once you click on the photo, and as you can see, this is the downloaded image that I can see right now. And as you can see, this is the photo that we have downloaded right now. I'm opening the image, and as you can see, it is already downloaded. So in this process, you can download any Instagram photo pretty easily. So thanks for watching this video. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that how you can download the Instagram photo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, smash the like button, comment below that what kind of tutorial you wanted to see next in our video. I'll bring that type of video next week. Until then, peace out.